It's not pinapaitan this time, it is holiday cooking here on Channel 1. It's Callos a la Manila with a touch of a la Madrileña. Yes, combined, easy and delicious. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romulo at his small kitchen. Hello, good evening. Your Kuya here and Uncle in Holland, Romulo from Pangasinan, cooking in Holland. Warm greetings. Tonight we'll be cooking a special dish from the Philippines. It's called Callos a la Manila, Manila style of Callos. Not pinapaitan this time, but it's Callos, more urbanized cooking. Okay, these are what we need. By the way, what makes this Callos a la Manila different from Callos a la Madrileña? In the Philippines, of course, since we have less access to ham, we use pork liempo instead of the jamon. And we also use the chorizos. If for households that don't have access to chorizos, they use American hot dog, pure foods. You can use that, but don't boil it long. Just add it as decorations or garnishing. Let's start. I'll show you now the ingredients. I have here tripe or tualya, as we would call them in the Philippines. I have pre-boiled them 2 hours and I forgot to mention that in addition to the tripe, we also pre-boiled this one, bulalo, the cow feet. We need that. This is what we need for this recipe, the gelatinous part of the cow feet. That's why it's needed. That one, this one, that's the reason why we need that. In addition to the flavor, of course. I'm gonna show you how I wash the tripe earlier with vinegar. Several washing rounds of vinegar. We have to remove the smell. The first time I cooked this, I had a problem with my neighbor. You will have a problem with your domestic partners as well. I have heard stories from Filipinos who live or who have foreign partners, so it's good to wash your tripe thoroughly with vinegar. 2 to 3 rounds of washing. At home in the Philippines, in Pangasinan, we would even wash this with Tide detergent soap and papaya leaves. And once the water is clear and your tripe is as almost odorless as possible, add onion, laurel leaf, and entire pepper, black pepper, and boil it for 2 hours if you have a pressure cooker, 3 hours if you use an ordinary cooker. And we add also the cow feet or the bulalo. Cover it, and we can do other tasks about cleaning or ironing. Resuming with the other ingredients. Garbanzos. We need garbanzos for this recipe. The stir fry. I'll be using generous amount of onion and garlic, paprika powder and bell pepper. And don't forget the chorizo, the Bilbao, as we would call it in the Philippines. I have here, not from Bilbao, but it's just in the same region, not in the Basque region of Spain. Chorizo de Pamplona. It's where the running of the bulls happen. Also in that region. This one. By the way, this is not cooked. Chorizos are not cooked. I'll be using liempo as well as jamon. Either this or this, but I'm using both. And we should not forget to mention about the tomato paste. Let's start preparing the ingredients. Crush the garlic. And what else are we going to prepare? We should slice also the paprika thinly, as or coarsely, it doesn't matter. It depends how you present your dish. The liempo, as well as the small amount of jamon that I have, and the tripe. My casserole is showing sign of age, but I love this casserole. Ay, 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 what happened there? We're after the fat of this liempo. So let's just wait until it renders. Cover it. I'll start with the onion. Around 1 tablespoon of this to have it infused in the oil. This one as well. Some people would fry that first, but we don't do that in the Philippines, in most households. I still have the bone here, we don't need that, we have to remove that, we already have its flavor. Just stir it until the tripe and the jamon and the liempo gets the color of the paprika, and add water. Let it just boil and dry. Let's add the rest of the ingredients, the tomato paste. And of course salt al gusto. If you prefer, you can also use beef cube for a more enhanced flavor, and pepper. Adding the chorizo now, I'm saving the half. For the morcon, I'll be using half only. Morcon. Of course it's Christmas, so I'll be cooking morcon. Watch out for the recipe, morcon. Let's just add the chorizo into the boiling dish. You can only smell it. It smells like the restaurant streets of Madrid and Adriatico in Manila. Really. Let's add the chickpeas now, or the garbanzos. I have to drain it. Give it some stir. Sauce recipes can easily get there. That doesn't look good. But that's how it's cooked, because if we slice it now, it will disintegrate. And it will dissolve, or yeah, it will disappear in the sauce. We'll slice it later. I think we need 15 more minutes for this. So how would we kill time? Let's decorate the Christmas tree. Good. Been boiling for I think more than 20 minutes, and look how thick the sauce has become. Yeah, we can stop this, but let me taste it first. It's really good. Now, since we're short of ham, let's now add the Manila touch, a replacement for ham. Ham is a bit fermented, so we need something fermented to replace it. I'll add some fish sauce just a bit. Same effect. Let's turn it off, but let's take out the chorizo and slice it. Let's put it back. Oh, if you can only smell it. If you can only smell it. I'm brought to Manila and Madrid. And this is our Callos a la Manila with a touch of a la Madrileña. Look at that. How lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ricardo.
You're welcome.
And this has been our Callos a la Manila, also with some touches of its parent, a la Madrileña. Easy to make, and it's good for the holidays. So wherever you are in the world and whatever celebrations you're having, if you're watching this during Christmas, Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching. And
Happy holidays.
And to my friend here, Ricardo, Merry Christmas as well, Ricardo.
Yeah. You too, Romano. And all the best for next year.
Thank you. Can I kiss you? Can I kiss? Until next time, and Merry Christmas. Your Kuya Michael here, Romano. And don't forget to subscribe and share our food from the homeland. Bye-bye. At first, I thought this was on the watery side, but it's delicious this way. I don't know why, but we love it. Even Ricardo loves it.
Yeah. Good.
See, you heard it. The patis help.